Alright, I had to go to Walmart and pick up my order today. There was one thing that is going to mail to me. They didn't have it in the store, so, but I forgot what it was. But my attention span has got where it don't go too far. But I got milk, and I've been out of milk for 2 or 3 days. And I've been out of eggs for a couple of days. And I wanted some sharp cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese. Then I've got a recipe for chocolate. And I got me some ham slices. And got some orange juice. And I hadn't had any sausage in a long time, so I bought me some sausage. I bought biscuits last week. I just buy a little bit every week. I got 2 apples. I got a recipe for those 2 apples. And I got a big thing of 44 fish sticks. Now, I had ordered fish last week, and I ate the rest of them today. So I got me some fish sticks. So I got several all week. And I wanted some butter pecan ice cream. And I got some, needed some more sugar. I was just running low on sugar. But that's what I got today. But if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. All right. You have a good day, and thank y'all so much. And y'all have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to download this and let it go out in the morning on Saturday. So y'all have a wonderful week, and thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you.